Two Chinese tourists. Two separate incidents. Same offense. And the same shocking mistake, trying to offer bribes to Singapore enforcement officers. What happened, and why does this matter to anyone visiting Singapore? On one of Singapore's busiest shopping belts, Orchard Road, a 34-year-old Chinese national Huang Binghao was caught smoking outside the vicinity of Tang Plaza, a non-designated area. Now, this is already an offense in Singapore, where smoking is tightly regulated in public spaces. But what truly escalated the situation was what he did next. Huang allegedly offered not one, but two Certis Cisco officers $50 each, separately, just so they wouldn't take enforcement action. These officers, Ko Jun Song and Mai Kal Selvarai, were on duty for NEA, the National Environment Agency. Now here's what viewers need to know: both officers rejected the bribe. Without hesitation. The case was escalated to the Corrupt Practices Investigation Bureau, or CPIB, and on May 9, Huang Binghao was charged in court with 2 counts under Section 6(b) of the Prevention of Corruption Act. If convicted, he could face up to 5 years in jail or a fine of up to 100,000 Singapore dollars for each charge. But just weeks earlier, another Chinese tourist, 41-year-old Huang Chilin, did nearly the same thing. On March 26, he too was caught smoking in a non-designated area. When NEA officer Tan Ta Chuak approached him, Huang allegedly tried to offer 50 Singapore dollars, not just for Tan but also for 2 other officers. Again, the bribe was rejected. And again, CPIB was notified. He was charged in court on April 17. Both cases highlight a stark truth: Singapore enforces its laws with consistency, and when it comes to corruption, there is zero room for negotiation. No second chances. No settlement. The rules are the rules, whether you're a citizen, resident, or tourist. CPIB has reaffirmed its strict stance. All reports of corruption, even anonymous ones, are investigated. The public is constantly reminded: if you see something, report it. Singapore's anti-corruption hotline, website, email, they are always open. But here's where we pause and reflect. These weren't violent crimes. These were misguided decisions involving small sums of money. So why such serious legal consequences? Because it's about the principle, not the amount. Singapore's clean reputation didn't happen by chance. It was built on generations of institutional integrity and a culture that rejects bribery in all forms. Even $50 can be enough to trigger a charge if it's meant to influence enforcement action. And here's what's even more fascinating: these cases reveal more than just legal breaches. They expose a deep cultural difference. In some countries, offering a small token to avoid a fine might be common, even expected. But in Singapore, such behavior is seen as an insult to the system. The law is impartial and incorruptible, and even tourists must understand that. So what does this mean for you, the viewer? If you're planning to visit Singapore, or live here, this is your reminder. Learn the rules. Respect the law. Because ignorance or a moment of desperation can lead to serious consequences. What do you think about Singapore's firm anti-corruption stance? Are the punishments fair, especially for tourists? And should there be more public awareness campaigns at tourist hotspots like Orchard or Clarke Quay? Let us know what you think in the comments. Like this video if you believe in clean governance, share it with your friends to spread awareness, and subscribe to 2234 deeper dives into real news stories that matter. Because every headline hides a lesson, and we're here to uncover it for you. Stay tuned, more stories coming soon that peel back the surface and reveal the truth beneath.